going to be an onside kick down by the Falcons. Ball flat, he's going up the middle, running hard. He got 4 out of that one. Here we go, we're going to run the play. Snaps away, a little fumble and bumbling. Falcons met by Seabird. Moved out to the right side. He's met by Seabird about 5 yards back. To the left side, going wide right. He goes one tackle for the ball, falls into ball snapped up, going up the middle. He's met by a defensive tackle. Thunderbird number center. Ball snapped away. Pitch to number 2, wide right. Going up the power hole. He gets met by Falcons. Snapped away. Handoff up the middle. He gets by 1 Falcon. He's going outside. Number 2. He's got down again at the 30. Just like another. First and 10, Thunderbird.
Let's go, Falcons!
He's back. Handoff up the middle. He's bent the back though. Football game. Snap. Pitch out again, right side. Looks like that kid is holding. He's going wide right, 40, 15, 10. That's the line. He's getting for a touchdown. Timeout.
Hold on. It looks like it's not even spinning.
Snap away, number 2 goes in. He's looking through. He does make it. For an onside kick, it's kicked deep at the 40-yard line. They pick it up. He's going to run with it.
Get him, D. Get up.
Stiff arms again.
Little teeny weeny one. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, look at that.
All right, to the left side of the field. He gets snagged.
Let's go, boys!
Falls away. You know, number 1 is a fumble. Snapped away. Number 2 loses the ball. He's back down. He might have lost about a half. First guys in the sleeve. Snapped away. Number 10 looking for a pass. Oh, he drops it. Goal. Falcons acting tough on that goal line defense. Snapped away. It's a pitch to number 2, Mr. Williams. He's met. He's denied. Taking personnel. Ball's away. Interception. Ball's away. They're fighting at the line of scrimmage. Short. 2:13 left in the half.
I've never seen him get shot. Boys are all shy. When they meet a girl.
Not always.
Not always. You never went shy, right? Have you been shy?
When I was little.
When you got mommy?
Not when I met mommy.
Come on, boys. Come on. Yeah, they don't.
We're set on defense. Snapped away. Looking for that pass. Oh, it's almost caught. I think it went down on the ground. That's it. One of the split. Defense is up at the ball. Shotgun formation. Snapped away. 10's coming straight up the hole. It looks like a touchdown. Ball's away. Number 2 taking wide left. Wide left all alone. He's in. Kickoff. Plays away, pitch to the right side, number 10. Kick goes in the center, he goes down. He's looking for the hole, number 15, he gets tackled. Straps away, hand off to number 88. He's going on right. He's going, he's at the 40, 30, 45, 40. He's down, knocked down, ball's out. That ball looked in play. Is that going to be Falcons football? First and 10, quarterback snap. Pitch, he's grabbed the backfield. Let's see if he's going. He comes out to the 10, 5, knocks out of bounds, just short of the goal line. Thunderbirds on the center. Ball's away, snap number 6. He's there. It looks like touchdown Thunderbird. Number 1 looking to get in, but he's denied again. Losing the other check. Thunderbird's ready to kick off. Down right here, it's just football. Offense makes sure adjustment.
Yeah, you gave me a ride.
Snaps away, hand up off the middle. He's at the line of scrimmage, but he still forces a couple yards. Hand off in the backfield, he's snapped by a couple of Thunderbirds.
Used to do that year. Things don't change. Not that way though.
Ball snapped away, comes around.
Dylan.
Well, he's met by that one Thunderbird. Can't stand there and dance for 2 left in the quarter. For the Falcons.
Yes, still in goal.
Intercepted.
Go.
He's running it back. He's at the 20. He's in the goal. He's in the goal. He's back in the backfield. Denied. Score remains 26. Minute 32 left in the quarter. Balls away. Pitch number. Coming around wide right. He thinks to the bounds. He's chucking. He's still in bounds. Oh, they stop and stress the ball. Quarterback makes some adjustments. 49 seconds left in the quarter. Snap away. Pitch number 6. He's met by. He's driving back. He brings it back. Pass away. He goes up the middle. He's breaking. He's at the 20. He's down. Nice move.
He's like, man, Papa's gonna yell at me again. I gotta.
Pass away. Quarterback keeper. He comes up the front. He breaks one tackle. He's still moving. He's moving.